This is a locomotive, right?
See, all of them.
All?
Locomotives.
Well, not all of them.
Steam engines.
How about there?
You go there first with Kuya, one by one. You see one by one. All of them. Yeah.
Okay.
You go to Kuya.
It's time to show him how it's done.
See, they took the train from the track.
There's tracks and there's trains right now. When is the next
Oh.
train coming here?
Your picture. Oh. There's Renfe.
Oh.
Here.
Mama, and that's the old train.
The old train going to
Hallelujah! I see, my first subscriber session song.